Okay, hear me out. You don't have a seat cowl. Huh, you didn't remove the sari guard. I have a wife and she wears sari at times. Really?
चलो भाई, देखो अब मैं क्या करता हूँ।
Welcome to Northeast. Such a beautiful place. So for the next 15 minutes we'll be riding the twisties. Absolute fun.
हम मालूम है तेरे बाप को मत सिखा चल।
Welcome to Northeast. Amazing twisties.
क्यों भी ओवर एक्टिंग करता है साला? ओवर एक्टिंग की औलाद?
The amount of work that has been put into national highways, not a joke. Like seriously, serious effort has been put into this. The joy you get riding here in the twisties now, it's amazing.
अरे बेटे, तुझे थकान नहीं लग रही क्या?
Amazing road, man. Amazing. Every monsoon, this area gets wrecked. Like, look at the size of this mountain. You know, chips and boulders, like during monsoon they fall and they absolutely wreck the road. So in addition to constructing the road, they have this responsibility to maintain it also. So I believe once it's done, it's gonna be good. It will be done soon enough. I think another 2 to 3 more years. Most of the condition of the highways, na, in India, the condition of the highways nowadays is absolutely fantastic. I should be careful here. I have experience in riding in twisties, but the thing is that still I should be careful. You should always lower your speed when going into a twisty, and when you see the road ahead, only then accelerate. Look, I'm not a MotoGP rider, okay? Like, I'm seriously not a MotoGP rider. But still, that's a kind of thing I think everyone knows. Oh my god, look at that twisty. Holy man, that was so good. It's a smile to your face, man. Absolute mad road, dude.
मजा आया।
Just imagine what happens when the upper body like falls off. Well, the whole road is gonna get covered. It's a challenge, you know, going against nature, cutting these mountains and making these roads. They're doing an absolute fantastic job making these roads, keeping it safe for people like us. The weather has been let's not talk about the weather, man. It's been so hot lately. I'm wearing this Cypher GT from Rhinox. This has mesh lining, so I'm well ventilated when I'm riding. Actually, I'm getting the wind. The wind intake is like super good. But if I make a stop, if there is traffic, I think I'm gonna faint. But for now, it's good.
Women.
It's getting warmer and warmer, and we had a storm warning actually. I thought it's gonna rain today, but it didn't. It's the same like yesterday, the same temp and same everything. So the reason I'm not putting Gursevak or AEWE or Red Rooster or any such exhaust is that I like the sound of this exhaust. The sound of this exhaust is like soothing, simple. It's not that loud. It's not that heavy. Easy on the ears, you know. Absolutely love it. Maybe somewhere down the line, maybe I would. For now, it's good. And look, I've become ancient, man. Like, I'm old. I'm 35 now. And I shouldn't be doing that loud exhaust kind of a thing. And I don't like it also. It's not that I want to. I would not.
Why are you gay?
I wanted to come here. There's a waterfall here. I want to check it out. Oh, it's mostly a slippery stream. there was a lot of talk like there's a waterfalls here. I've always heard people talking. Maybe there's one more up ahead, but I don't know. This one's pretty small. Still, it's a waterfall. And yeah, and minus headlight. I mean, yeah, it looks fantastic. The minus headlight, it looks good. But the throw on this LED is not bad either. It's good. It's good for a city ride. I mean, I would not take this LED to highways. You know, I would not ride it at night on a highway. That people who are endorsing PETA, you know, that organization that bats for animal rights and everything, people who are brand ambassadors of PETA, they are cooking they're having and cooking non-veg food. Hypocrisy, man. If you want to endorse something, endorse. I mean, if you want to endorse something, check the face value of it, na? At least see what you're getting into. Like, we have superstars who endorse like this pan masala, gutka and everything. Like, where is the honor in that, dude? You're actually putting everyone at risk. You're endorsing a product that is not safe. And then it's not like our cricketers, our sports stars are any better. They endorse gambling apps.
बात तो सही है.
So, our sports stars, our sports stars, they endorse gambling apps. And I mean, everyone in the government knows like these are bad things, you know, these are bad practices. But nobody is stopping them. Seriously. If you want to endorse something, dude, it's your life, do it. You are gonna do it for the money, of course, do it. But check the repercussions, right? Check the consequences. You are a star, right? People look at you, you know. People won't be looking at me because people would hardly know me. And you look at the sports stars and the superstars, Bollywood superstars, you look at them, everyone looks up to them. And when you pull a stunt like that, when you endorse something, pan, masala, gutka, things like that, and people, oh my god, he's having that, so it must be good, right? And one of my superstars, the king I follow, he's endorsing this app, mobile app, which encourages me to put my hard-earned money into gambling and puts me into a gambling addiction. And these addictions are bad, dude. Like, you'll have to go to a rehab to get rid of all this. Please understand. I mean, I'm old enough to understand all that. There are people like who are knowledgeable, who are intelligent, who are smart, and who are well educated, you know, and who are older than me, who are in this kind of a debt trap, and who are into this kind of addiction. And these addictions are very hard to let go of. Don't ruin your life, man. Like, don't have to do all that. Just be chill, get a bike. Oh my, there's a blockade there? I didn't see that. Okay, we'll change lanes. Don't do all that. And you know, if you want to have you want to spend money, get a bike, dude. This is the worst kind of addiction you can have. Everything costs a bomb. Everything, from riding gears to boots to tires to everything costs a bomb. If you want to have an addiction, have an addiction of bikes or something, you know, motorcycles. Now, don't go buying ZX-10R as your starting bike. Start a bit lower. I mean, this addiction is much better than all that, right?
ये मजबूर हैं, पर आप नहीं.
This place is cooler, you know, than rest of the city, and that's mostly because of all the plantations and all the trees and everything. Seriously, man, global warming is true, man. Greta Thunberg was right. She was right, dude. She was right all along.
How dare you?
That's one cool thing about toll gates, you know. Bikers don't have to pay. You can just slide in.